Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 212. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two, so the 2 must be there. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 7. 4 and 7 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 7 and our 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 7, 9, and 9 here, so 1, 7, and no help here, so 1, 7, 9. If we look at this top row, we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 2, 5, a 9 here, so 2, 5. That means that our 9 must be here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help though. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row, we're still missing 6 and 9, but we've got a 9 up here, so this is our 6, 9, 6. For this column now, looks like we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 5, 7. 1 and 7 here, so 4, 5. We've got the 5 here, and that looks like it. So 1, 4, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. No help here. 1, 4, 7, 9. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 7, 9. 1, 9, and 4 here. So this is our 7. That makes this our 5, 4. And the 7 makes this our 9. And the 1 and 9, or sorry, 7 and 9 make this our 1, which would make this our 7, 9. So now we've got the 1, 7, and 9 in this row, so this is our 4. We've got the 4 and 7 in this row, so it's our 1. This 9 makes this our 7, 9. So to finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing an 8. For this column, then, we're missing 2 and 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column then, we're missing a 5. That makes this our 2, 5, 2. And to finish off this box, we're missing a 4 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4 and 6. That will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.